Aaron, so just reviewing your cycle 3. So technically you've been working on your feints. How well do you think this has gone?
Yeah, I feel like I've improved a lot on my feinting. I've worked on the pads with you a lot, and I've put into sparring.
Okay. So in terms of improving the program, how are you going to do that?
By using it more often in sparring and putting in with technical sparring as well.
Okay, so technically we actually set a certain condition saying, right, okay, you must feint first.
Before, yeah.
Okay, feint before you throw, and that will give you more practice in a proper situation. Okay, so tactically, you've been working on leading off a little bit more, so you're a bit more aggressive.
Yeah.
How's that gone for you?
I've improved loads on leading off. I feel like I've been leading off good with my jab. And I've done that also on the bags and on the pads, and I've also done it in sparring. And by improving this, I think I can spar and you can count how many times I'm leading off.
Okay, so actually we can sort of quantify it. Yeah. So maybe one week you're leading off maybe 10 times more than the other guy, the next week it's 12 times more, yeah? Okay, great. And physically, you've been working on your strength, so a bit of a strength and conditioning program that we've done during the course. How can you improve that?
I can improve that by upping the weights or the sets or reps.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and we've been doing that anyway, so it's continuing to monitoring. How well we've been. Yeah, absolutely. So sets, weight. What about your break time?
Yeah, also my breaks are, instead of like a minute rest, we can do 30-second rest.
Okay, so you can change that slightly to put a bit more stress on the body. Okay, and mentally you've been working on your concentration. How's that gone?
Yeah, good. We've been. I can tell when I'm. What's it called?
Switching off?
Yeah, when I'm switching off in sparring or fights, and yeah, I can tell.
Okay, so in terms of improving that, it's about recognising when you're switching off.
Yeah, after sparring I can write down what if I switched off and not to switch off.
So what about sort of video footage? Can you use that to see when you're switching off?
Yeah, also, yeah.
Okay.
Videos I'm about, sort of video sparring, so I can see what I'm doing wrong.
Okay, so when you see yourself sort of switching off and maybe conceding a few points, and that's when you know that you need to be a bit more assertive and funnily enough, lead off a little bit more, which is your tactical sessions. So those two kind of work quite well together as well. Well, interesting enough, you can actually use your feints as well to control the pace and make sure you're not switching off. So if you feel you are switching off, then you can start throwing a few feints. So at least that still keeps your mind activated and keep you focused. Okay, cheers, Aaron.